Hey, yo guys, this is Dave again, and by Poker Demand, today I'm going to show you the easiest trading strategy ever. Are you ready? This one is so simple, even a kid or your grandma could understand it. Yes, are you interested? Let's go in. Alright guys, we're back on Pocket Auction and I'll walk you through the strategy step by step. The key to this strategy is simple. Look for pairs with a clear, strong trend. As I say before, trend is your friend. And in trading, that's one of the most powerful principles, to be honest. Okay, so here the cup of the strategy. Pay attention. We're looking for pairs where there are 4 handles of the same color. That means if it's orange, the trend is going down. If it's green, the trend is going up. You already know it, but still, better to remind. So we avoid sideways choppy markets where there is no clear trend. Once we spot 4 candles in a row of the same color, we open a trade in that same direction. Sounds easy. Now, it's not just easiest and genius. Now, here an important rule. Your trade duration should match the time frame of your candle. If you're using a 1-minute chart like me, your trade should also be 1 minute. 1 minute candle, 1 minute trade. Simple but crucial. The moment the 5th candle starts, that's when we enter the trade. Got it? Let's find a pair. And I will show you exactly how this works. The hardest part of this strategy, I'll be honest, is patience. It's all about waiting and finding the right setup. So grab a cup of coffee, put on some good music, pick up your cat. Perella helps you to stay patient. And just wait for the right opportunity. We choosing the pair. You see? Look. We got 4 orange candles forming. Yes, stringing down. We opened the trade on 5 candle. Yeah, we didn't exactly at the start, but we got in early enough, believe me. As you can see. Hopefully you understand the mechanics of the strategy now. We start in a good entry point. But you see, timing is everything. We was a little bit late and that worked against us now. But that's trading, no big deal. I don't love these moments, but it happens. Looks like we are on the 6th candle now. I will find another pair, I think, because this trend might be reversing. Yes, remember, the 4 candles, same color. Candle number 5 is our entry point. Let's find another pair. I'm actually made a video on friends of yourselves before. You just can go and check out. Okay, let's find a pair. We back to another pair. We will find it. Okay, look. Here this could be a great entry point. 4 candles. The 4th one is closing, so I'm entering a $500 trade right here. But wait. Plate. I want to be sure that candle number 4 is orange. You see? Patient. Yeah, it's patient. Okay, patch candles forming game. Ideally, I prefer a longer candle for more convenience, but this setup is still a bit risky, but we follow the strategy and ignore the dubs. This looks good for me now. It looks good for me now. 4 candles and we start end 5. When it's just forming, remember the entry point is highly important. You see? Did you see that? Haha, you saw it happen live. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we enter it right at the start of their 5th. Boom, 960 profit. Now I'm lowering my trade size back to 200 and let's find another opportunity. Look here, let's wait and see. This candle turned green. That's my signal to enter a buy trade. If it starts orange, I'll skip it and move on. That's the rose. Simple and clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting ready to enter on the 5th. Yes, timing is the key. Trade is open. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles and a new trade forming. Same color. Just a blind person will not understand the strategy, to be honest. Patient. We're waiting. In the beginning. Okay, let's wait. Another profit. Good one. Alright guys, I will just finish this video with this last winning trade, and this is just another simple and powerful strategy for you to try. Just try it. You know, in the beginning I just said that even your grandma could understand this strategy. But you know what? I wouldn't recommend it. You know, trading is a stressful thing, and guys, let's care about our grandmothers. It's better to make money yourself and gift yourself something nice. Okay? So, hope that this video was helpful for you. Please watch the next video. It will be highly interesting. And also, if you're bored, just come to my Telegram channel. Every day, we're trading there. A real money, a real trades, a real signals. Yeah, just to stay real, guys. See you. Peace.